Using launch value 500 plus, I am going to use this recovery machine to recover the AC Freon gas from this Honda HRV. I searched in the internet and found 0.65 kilogram, 650 gram has to be inside this car. I have here around 75 pressure in both the HB and LB because the car is already in off position, but I do not know how much gas inside this loop and how much oil. I want to make sure that the gas is in the right amount and the oil in the right amount. I want to demonstrate this process to you, just show you how it is done. We go to the automatic mode. It is asking me to empty the old oil, so I have to take the old oil bottle and empty it, make it so empty, and fill the new oil. I am going to empty the old oil. Okay, put it back. Then I have to say enter. Do you want to flush it? It will recycle all the gas just to make it clean and to move everything part on it. Flush time 10 minutes. Vacuum time I am going to select. You can select 10 minutes recommended, but okay, we'll do it 5 minutes just to make it faster. The new oil, we'll just fill it manually. That means, we will, there is a button upside of the oil. We just inject the right amount. You can read in the internet or in the manual of the car. Okay, here if you see, this is the, okay, this is the used oil and this is the new oil. There is a button up. You have just to press and inject the right amount. And here I will put the recharging amount 0.65 kilogram and then start the process. Now it will start flushing. Flushing means the gas will go all the way from the machine, move inside the the car and come back. Going inside the car, come back inside the loop. So this recycling will go inside the filter of the machine. There is a filter backside of the machine. Okay, filter backside of the machine. It will catch all the dirty things, all the sludges, all the things. And after that we will recover the gas, and this bottle, if you see, it will increase. Now it is 4 point something, so I am expecting 0.65 if the right amount is there. Maybe I think it's lower because the pressure was lower, so maybe 0.5 will be increased into the bottle. Okay, so the gas will pass through this one. Let us start this process. And now if you see, the flushing is being done, so recycling the gas all the way up to 10 minutes. So flushing from low to high, so the gas will pass, just recycle in that loop. It will go whatever dirty things it will have to come inside the machine, and we catch it. This filter has to be changed after some time. Every certain period you have to change the machine filter. You have to read the manual and see the recommendation. Now if you see also, after some time it will separate the oil, the used oil inside the loop and take it out. In this case, you will guarantee that new oil is being done and the lubricant is efficient and working. Please make sure that this the lubricant is in the right way. So now it will do the vacuum means it will absorb everything in the loop, and the pressure has to go to -30. At pressure -30, everything in the loop will be withdrawn. Okay, and all the humidity, all the bubbles, everything will be done. Now it is asking us to add oil manually. So I have to see how much old oil is there, or I have to read the manual and inject oil. We injected maybe 0.2 liter of oil or whatever. You have to check the manual. Now we say yes, enter, and now at this moment, it will inject the new gas after filtration and after the thing. It will inject the right amount of the gas. Now if you see here, you know, we are injecting the gas back to the car. Okay, this is completed. Do you want to print the report? It has a printer, so it will print the report and show you that the filled gas is 0.65 gram. So you can show the owner of the car that this amount is in his car. Let me see. I want to see the pressure. Before we started it was 70, 75. Now it is 120, around 120. Okay. There is a repair manual. You have to check in the off state how much it is there. If you feel that you need a little bit more, you just can increase the gas a little bit, maybe, you know, or check it. So this is the used oil. Okay, sometimes it's very black and very bad. In this car it is not so bad, but anyway, we just want to demonstrate this process. And now, you know, we on the car, we wait for some time till the pressure is stabilized. The low pressure is around 30, 35, and here it is 170, 180. Now it's going up to 200 maybe. You know, I put the AC at the lowest and, you know, the fan at highest. I just check now the cooling is very, very efficient, and you know, I start feeling it's very, very cool. Let's check inside also, because we always we have to check the damper is open, and see now we put it at the lowest recycle of the AC. The fan is high, and you know, we really have a very good cooling now. You know, this way you use the AC recovery machine.